Author and international trainer, Nicholas Hill.
Outcome. What do you want instead? And you get clear about the outcome that you do want. You could do that by the way of resetting the goal, or and you would have to reset the goal if there's been change that's affected your current environment, the current systems that you are using, because it's unforeseen. This is remember, SCORE is only ever used where there's been an unsolicited change, an unwanted, an unwelcome change.
Okay.
Which is why it's relevant for crisis.
Yeah.
We may sometimes need to go back to the drawing board, and if you look at the amount of companies and industries now that are falling flat on their face and just going under. The hotel industry now will change significantly. The travel industry will change significantly, with planes being taken out of the air. People now concerned about where they should go on holiday, and whether ultimately if travel is necessary. Because people are now being forced to use video conferencing. Where's your autonomy now? If you're forced to stay at home, not allowed to go out, not allowed to see friends.
Yeah.
Okay, it's like communist rule. Hence the reason why you've got certain states. Is it Michigan in the US at the moment, which is in uproar about the length of lockdown? Certain industries are going to go under. So we have to now reset. It's not just asking yourself, what's your outcome? We now have to reset it. So when you reset your outcome, you will now have to ask yourself, what resources do we now need? Not resources to alleviate the symptom. That was the earlier conversation. What resources do we now need to reset the outcome?
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.